For practice 12.5, propane has a normal boiling point of negative 42.0 degrees C and a heat of vaporization of 19.04 kilojoules per mole. What is the vapor pressure of propane at 25 degrees C? Well, we know the 2.4 form of the Clausius Clapeyron equation is ln of P2 over P1 is equal to negative delta H of vaporization over R times 1 over T2 minus 1 over T1. Now, the normal boiling point is negative 42 degrees C, and we know that that would be at 760 torr, so we can use that as one of our points. Okay, let's call that T1 and P1. So T1 is equal to negative 42 degrees C, and P1 is equal to 760 torr. But before we work this problem, we need to convert our temperatures to Kelvin. So let's go ahead and get started. So T1 is equal to negative 42 degrees C plus 273.15 is equal to 231.2 Kelvin. T2 is equal to 25.0 degrees C, all right, plus 273.15, and that's equal to 298.2 Kelvin, roughly. All right, and so now our delta H of vaporization, okay, we're going to convert that to joules because R is given with the units of joules, so we need to convert it. So 19.04 kilojoules per mole. And we know that 1,000 joules is 1 kilojoule. So kilojoules cancels, and we get 1.904 times 10 to the 4th joules per mole. All right, and we know that our P1 is 760 torr. So we're ready to plug in. Ln of P2 over P1 is equal to negative delta H of vaporization over R times 1 over T2 minus 1 over T1. All right, so ln of P2 over 760 torr is equal to negative 1.904 times 10 to the 4th joules per mole, all right, divided by R, which is 8.314 joules per mole Kelvin, all right, times the quantity 1 over 298.2 Kelvin minus 1 over 231.2 Kelvin. All right, so we're going to subtract first and then multiply by the left side. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to change colors and stay on this page. Okay, so I'm going to move up here. Ln of P2 over 760 torr is equal to 2.22554. Now what I need to do is take e to the both sides, all right? E to the ln of P2 over 760 equals e to the 2.22554. So so that brings the P2 over 760 torr out of the logarithmic function. And so we get P2 over 760 is equal to 9.25852. All right, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 760, and I get P2 is equal to 7040 torr.